All right, today I'm back in the garage. I'm working on getting the Jeep ready for Easter Jeep Safari. I got a couple small things to do from buttoning up from our last trip. And I figured I'd put together a little video on something I see people question a lot. Installing a power steering pump pulley. Real simple process. I'm actually just going to kick this out as a Tech Tip Tuesday. I'll just release a short video on this to kind of explain the best way to do this. A lot of people will try and heat things up, and you definitely don't want to hammer on it at all. The best thing to do is get the right tool. So this tool, see if I can. So this is the actual power steering pump pulley. The Leslie 39000. That's what I end up using for everything. It both pulls the pulley and installs it. I happen to have a PSC 2-piece pulley on this, so I'm going to be showing it with just the hub. This is the same exact thing if you have just a regular factory power steering pump pulley. So, first thing you want to do, you take your little clamshell, install that over the end, and as you can see, it hooks onto the pulley. This little rod not only holds this tool together, but it also gives you something to hold on to for rotation. You take the appropriate little extension, drop it in there, and then your screw here, stick that on there. Turn that down. I think that's a 1/2 inch. Oh, 7/16. All right. So then you just take and screw it out. There we go. So it's as simple as that. No need to get any 3-jaw puller, anything like that. This tool makes real short work of it. As you can see, just a little ratchet wrench was all you needed to pull it off. Now, normally I just zip it out with an impact to make it nice and quick, but I wanted to show how easy it was just with a regular wrench. Then, so that's removing it. All right, so now with my new pump here and the hub, I want to thread my adapter into the end. I have this nut to put on here. Start my hub. I got this bearing that I put in here, and I thread all this down. There we go. So then, I'm just going to use a ratcheting wrench here. You just got to hold the end here and slowly work it down. Kind of an awkward working height. All right. There we go. So this pump, I know that I ran it in flush and it worked out really good. So that's all it takes to install a power steering pump pulley. If you use the right tool, it makes real short work of it. You're not gonna risk damaging anything. And as you can tell, it's really easy with basic hand tools. So that's gonna be my first Tech Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.